Have you ever considered the hidden forces shaping our digital world? In an era where artificial intelligence is not just a concept but a daily reality, its influence is undeniable. We see it everywhere, from the life-saving diagnostics in our hospitals and the complex financial models that drive our economies, to the navigation systems that guide us through bustling city streets. AI promises a future of unparalleled efficiency and innovation. But as we integrate these systems more deeply into the fabric of our society, a critical question emerges. What if the very tools designed to help us are harboring a secret, a flaw that could perpetuate the inequalities of our past? A sudden glitch, a flicker in the matrix reveals a startling truth: the hidden bias lurking within the machine. To truly grasp the challenge, we must first understand what AI bias is. It's not a malicious intent coded by a developer, but rather a reflection of the imperfect world from which the AI learns. Imagine an animated infographic breaking it down for us. First, there's historical bias, where an AI trained on decades of data from a biased society learns to replicate those same prejudices. Then comes measurement bias, resulting from faulty data collection, like a camera that doesn't accurately capture diverse skin tones. Finally, we have representation bias, which occurs when a dataset underrepresents certain groups, leading the AI to perform poorly for them. A simple visual makes it clear: a digital scale heavily tilted to one side, showing how a skewed dataset can lead to skewed outcomes, systematically favoring one group over another. The consequences of these biases are not theoretical. They have profound real-world impacts on people's lives. Picture a scene, rendered in stark silhouettes to represent the anonymity of the victims. A highly qualified job applicant submits their resume, full of experience and skill, only to have it instantly rejected by an automated screening system. The AI, trained on historical hiring data that favored a specific demographic, has learned to filter out candidates like them, regardless of their qualifications. In another scenario, we see a hopeful lone applicant, their dreams of starting a small business or buying a home hanging in the balance. Their application is processed, but an algorithm, biased by historical lending patterns, unfairly flags them as high risk, leading to an automatic denial. For these individuals, the promise of AI has become a barrier, an invisible wall reinforcing old prejudices. But this is not a story of technological despair. It is a call to action. The journey toward fair and equitable AI is already underway, led by dedicated minds committed to building a better future. Imagine a team of data scientists, diverse and collaborative, working around a large holographic interface. They are meticulously cleaning a dataset, identifying and removing biased information, and actively balancing it to ensure all groups are represented fairly. This is the crucial first step. Next, we see an animation visualizing the algorithm itself. The code is being fine-tuned, with new fairness-aware techniques being implemented directly into its core logic. These adjustments act as a guide, teaching the AI to make decisions that are not only accurate but also just, actively correcting for the biases it might have otherwise learned. As we look ahead, the vision for AI is one of inclusivity and equity. The final montage is a powerful one. A diverse group of people from all walks of life interacting seamlessly and positively with their AI assistants. A student receives personalized tutoring that adapts to her learning style. A senior citizen gets compassionate and timely healthcare support at home. And an entrepreneur secures funding based on the merit of their idea, not their background. This is the future we must strive for. It's a reminder that the ultimate goal is not just to build smarter machines, but to build a fairer world. The responsibility rests on all of us to ensure that as artificial intelligence evolves, it does so as a force for good, uplifting all of humanity and leaving no one behind.